What is going on, true believers? As you know, most of my time is spent researching high potential crypto projects for this audience. Recently, we explored some promising ones together, and my goal remains the same, to bring you top tier products with significant price growth potential.
Who really want it with me? I'm at the top, that's one, not two or three. This real life, baby, don't make believe. I just make it look easy like ABC. I'm on it 24/7, 25/8. I just pick up the pace and I violate. I eat it all up like a dinner plate. I been on the move like I'm running late. Left, right, left. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. I don't have a limit, I'm just getting started. I am unstoppable, ask anybody. I just get to it, no time for excuses. I do what I do and I do it again. I really do what I say. Ain't got no time to be playing no games. I just be I'm making the plays. Get money too and I'm winning the race. Pick out the pace. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. Go. Pick up the pace. 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 Pick up the pace.
That's why you're here, to discover tips on the best performers in the current bull market. Today, I'm introducing something really fresh. It's called Run Wago. Just recently, the first round of the RWG pre-sale finished, sold out instantly. 3 minutes sold out. Check out what the team posted on their Twitter. The first round of 600K. Just recently, their first round of the RWG pre-sale finished, which sold out almost instantly. Check out what the team posted on their Twitter. The first round of 600K sold out in 10 minutes. Demand for RWG very high, and I think the next 2 rounds will also sell out really quickly. The sustainable run to earn app aims to outperform step in and step at success from the previous bull run. I've gone through the white paper and the details, and I have to say this project is most likely going to be the one. Why am I bullish on it? Has a market cap of just 351,000. It's a fantastic opportunity for a profit, with the goal of being listed on tier 1 centralized exchanges, which is in the white paper itself, and you can review that as you want. And you guys know I'm all about fit. But you're probably wondering, why should we invest in SportsFi and run to earn projects when they were popular in the last one? And let me explain why there's huge potential here. First, the project looks incredibly easy, making sense with a great company behind it. Basically, has everything to get listed on a tier 1 centralized exchange and become the leading player in the SportsFi industry and literally revolutionize. Secondly, the run to earn trend hasn't actually disappeared if you think about it. Do you remember the projects like Step In and Step App and all of those when they appeared? They launched like in 2021, gained massive popularity because it was perfectly timed. At that point, the COVID pandemic was nearly over and people were eager to spend time outdoors, exercise, explore different places, engage with society again. Riding this new wave of socialization, Step In introduced an app that allowed people to earn money just by running. But since the team was rushing to launch the app and they were among the first to this trend, they failed the concept. Their app had flaws, which I'm going to discuss in just a little bit. But as a result, despite the rapid rise in popularity of Step In and the GMT token, the project experienced an equally rapid downfall. This should make one thing very, very clear. There's still no high quality product on the market for athletes. We've seen the massive demand for such a product, but you know there's no projects out here that are well defined, that'll have a well developed plan, and I'm confident you won't find one. That's why today you're about to discover a true goldmine, a project, Run Wago, that's taken the best elements of the run to earn giants of the previous cycle, improved upon them, and created a 100% sustainable product targeted at an audience of over 300 million users.
Who really want it with me? I'm at the top, that's one, not two or three. This real life, baby, don't make believe. I just make it look easy like ABC. I'm on it 24/7, 25/8. I just pick up the pace and I violate. I eat it all up like a dinner plate. I been on the move like I'm running late. Left, right, left. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I am unstoppable. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. Okay. I don't have a limit. I don't have a limit, I'm just getting started. I am unstoppable, ask anybody. I just get to it, no time for excuses. I do what I do and I do it again.
So the best news is this. They're currently running their pre-sale, and at the end, I'm not even wondering about their first round selling out in just 10 minutes, okay? It's crazy fast, and now the second round is live. I'm gonna make a buy here right now. So if you're watching this video, you might be one of the lucky ones who can still snag the RWG token in the second round. Today, we're gonna focus on the earning potential of this. The first round sold out in just 10 minutes because it offered the best price, which was 0.05. Now, the launch price is gonna be 0.09. So the total of 600,000 worth of tokens were sold, even with a 3-month cliff. People just strongly believe this, and apparently they know why. But to pay attention, as the second round has already started, I get this a chance. This is giving you a chance to participate at 0.07 per token. A total of 980K worth of tokens are going to be sold in this round. Only 380K more than in the first round. With that in mind, this round could sell out very, very quickly. As I said, this project is exceptional in every way: narrative, team, initial market cap, market size, development, roadmap, game-changing potential for your portfolio. If you want to participate, act now. Use my link in the description down below and you'll get 5% extra RWG bonus tokens. All right, let's have a look here. The name of the project is Run Wago, and if you've ever used a running app like Adidas Run, Nike Run, or any of the others, then pay attention here, because Run Wago is about to revolutionize how we think about motivation for running and run to earn concepts in general. In crypto, this is not a new thing. I've already told you about STEP in the beginning video, a standout from the last bull run with a multi-billion-dollar market cap token, or STEP app, famously promoted by Usain Bolt, the fastest man on earth. While they got some things right and some things wrong, Run Wago is clearly taking these lessons of these successes and failures, focusing on doing the right thing, and most importantly, keeping it simple for everyone to get Web 2 and Web 3 involved. So let me break this down so that you can visualize the potential. Over 300 million people worldwide use running apps every single day, but none of these apps actually reward you with real money for your effort. You run, you sweat, you hit your goals, and what do you get for it? Maybe a badge or a pat on the back, but with Run Wago, that's going to change everything. Now you have the chance to monetize your running goals, actually getting paid for doing what you already love to do: fitness and exercise. Run Wago has the potential to transform the running industry completely. Think about how massive this niche is, okay? Approximately 621 million people run globally. However, this figure reflects only the most realistic targets that the Run Wago team is confident in reaching, because not all runners are using running app. Now imagine this: when the world discovers a 100% sustainable and reliable app that not only helps users achieve their goals, but tracks their running and does everything traditional apps like Strava, Nike Run Club, Runkeeper do, but also allows you to earn money from your passion, it's going to change the, okay? You can literally monetize your love for running. I'm confident that out of 600 million runners worldwide, at least 1 to 200 million will catch onto this trend and become Run Wago users. The app's user base could easily exceed the projected 300 million and potentially reach 4 to 500 million. That is gigantic. To be more specific and explain why I believe in this project so strongly, let me share some figures and forecasts that could realistically happen in just the months after the product's full launch, which is in the first quarter of 2025. I truly believe it's a one-of-a-kind opportunity. Based on an article that I found, the running app market is currently valued at 500 million, and it's expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 14.2%. By 2032, the market's projected to be over 1.8 billion. Let's assume that Run Wago captures 3% of the current running market, which is valued at 0.56 billion. In this scenario, Run Wago's market cap would be 18.56 million. Just consider this for 1 second. If we're going to start with a market cap of only 351,000, that would be a 48x return. Are you paying attention now? Now think about this: the project with a fully developed launching next month, a strong team, a clear development roadmap, support from advisors, guaranteed listings on tier 1 exchanges, backed by venture capital, and much more. Achieving 3% of the market seems entirely feasible. With positive projections for market growth, Run Wago has significant long-term scaling potential. But you might be wondering, how does the the app work and what makes it so special? Or is this just another Ponzi scheme like STEPN? Not at all. That's the point. Runwago is simple, user-friendly, and 100% sustainable. The app runs on a super simple, clever concept. How does this concept work, you might be asking yourself? Well, users deposit or lock certain amounts of RWG tokens into their deposit pool, which serves as their allocation for potential rewards after completing a 4-week challenge. At the end of the challenge, users who've met their running goals can withdraw 100% of their deposits. However, users who fail to meet their goals won't get their deposit back. Instead, their funds are transferred to the Runwago reward pool, which is immediately redistributed to users who successfully complete the challenge. This ensures a sustainable and rewarding ecosystem for those who commit to the challenge. So basically, you're going to put up some of your Runwago, your RWGs. It's going to go into a community pool, and once you've completed it, you're going to get a share of that community pool, and the people who don't finish will not get it. Very simple. Runwago is entering the SportsFi sector, which is one of the hottest trends in the last bull run. It's a massively untapped Web3 market. By the way, let me point out things, not just STEPN, but we're talking about Pokemon Go, things like that. These reach, STEPN, by the way, reached $1 billion valuation, and even right now, it's got a $600 million valuation. It only has 4 million active users around the world, by the way. In comparison, running apps like Nike, Strava, and Adidas, they've got between 70 to 120 million people paying attention to them. This is going to be massive. Maybe you remember StepApp, a hugely popular project with the last bull run promoted by Usain Bolt. Why? Because people love Usain Bolt. He's the fastest man on earth, and because they already were running. They understood these projects, and more importantly, they made money for users for doing what they love. Runwago is going to tap into that same market, and with its sustainable approach and solid team, it has all the ingredients for success. There are very few SportFi apps, right? Runwago is going to be the first strong SportsFi project to capitalize on this sector in the upcoming bull run. The team is clearly serious about making this all work. Bull run saw some attempts to get new trends going, like tap to earn, which it didn't do very well. It flopped completely. It wasn't sustainable, didn't attract long-term users. We know that that has been a problem. However, Runwago and the SportsFi sector, they're an entirely different story. This time we're seeing a redefined 100% sustainable approach that's built to last. Unlike STEPN, which focused on NFTs and complicated interfaces that only Web3 users could understand, Runwago is designed to be accessible to everyone, not just NFT collectors. It's simplified, user-friendly, sustainable, makes for a perfect fit for the mass market, ensuring it thrives long-term, unlike STEPN, which focused heavily on these NFTs and the interfaces that only, nerds like us were going to be able to. Not everybody could use STEPN. It just didn't. Runwago is designed to be accessible for everyone. Okay. Now, just imagine this. Just to say, if you wanted to start earning tokens on STEPN, you had to buy an NFT sneaker on their marketplace, and then they all had different attributes and stuff like that, which limited how much you can earn unless you bought more, and now you have to buy more NFTs to find the best one. That was not a good look. Second, the overwhelming number of attributes that the sneakers had, and you can see it right here on the screen. Like, this is absolutely crazy. That's a total of 11 different quantitative ways to figure out how you could earn. In contrast, Runwago simplifies this thing. The team created an app capable of attracting 300 million users, designed for people of all ages, even those who've never even heard of cryptocurrency or Web3 games. Okay, so you start earning Runwago. All you need to do is deposit a certain amount of RWG tokens into the Runwago deposit pool. This is your potential reward after completing a 4-week challenge. At the end of the challenge, whoever achieves their goal can withdraw 100% of their deposit. However, users who don't meet their goal do not get their deposit back. Instead, their funds are transferred to the reward pool, which is then redistributed to users who completed the challenge. So if you put in your percentage, whatever it is, and you complete yours, you can withdraw your own percentage, you can get that back. But anybody who didn't complete it, out of 1 million users, anybody who didn't complete it, their RWGs, they go into the reward pool, and then you get a cut off of those. This is going to create a sustainable and profitable ecosystem for everybody who commits to the challenge. So I believe this concept is far more sustainable because this is going to emphasize discipline and consistency, and that's how you get gains. That's how you get fit. That's how you get better. They simply keep doing what they love doing, running. Now all you have to do is run, you earn RWG. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is pick a challenge, run the challenge, earn from the challenge. That's it. The team has a great professional team, a development studio, a fantastically sustainable economic goal. Tokenomics are clear. To become the best run-to-earn app is the goal. 300 million active daily users out of, again, over 600 million people are out there right now earning nothing for running. What are they doing? Long story short, Run Wago takes the concept of standard running app, tracks your distance and pace and goals, adds a game-changing layer. You earn RWG tokens for completing challenges. Right now, the main aim is to be the early adopter of the RWG token. That's it. Doesn't matter if you're not a runner. The key takeaway is that Run Wago has learned from past mistakes and created something simple, 100% sustainable, and accessible to Web 2 users. This is already proven from the previous hype that it's possible to do. They just didn't successfully do it. Step in, step out, they failed. There are over 300 million daily active runners worldwide. Run Wago is designed for them, whether it's crypto savvy or not. The genius part, as I mentioned, the app is straightforward. There's no games, no NFTs, no complicated setups. Think about it. There's a huge audience of people already running, already using apps to track their progress. If you're a runner, you have to use an app to track your progress. I do fitness training. I track everything. Run Wago taps into this established behavior, allowing you to do what you already love. Now let me tell you why I'm bullish on this whole project. First, the app is already developed. Unlike most of these crypto projects that come out, they're going to tell you, hey, we're working on something. It's going to be built. This thing is already ready to go. The Run Wago has a working app that's been in development since 2023. This isn't an idea. It's a reality. Launches in the first quarter, okay? It's going to be available for the public, in the first, in this quarter. It's going to be within a month that it's available based on the roadmap. It's going to be available in quarter 4 of 2024, and initial test challenges will happen in quarter 1 of 2025. So it's just going to be a couple of weeks from launch to when the first rounds start here. All you have to do is just be part of it. We're truly at the beginning of something very, very big with the best chance to buy at such low prices and a low valuation at launch. Big updates along with venture capital, institutional investors on board, tier 1 centralized exchanges. This is going to be huge. The team behind Run Wago are top-notch professionals with a clear vision. It's backed by Chiron Labs, Clevio X, Haken, this covers every aspect of the project, and according to the white paper, Chiron Labs connects Run Wago to tier 1 centralized exchanges and provides access to venture capital, institutional ventures, and angel investors. Clevio X is the core product developer, ensuring the app functionality and scalability. They're the preferred developer of BNB chain, and they've worked on huge companies in their Web 2 markets for Volkswagen, McDonald's, and a bunch of other companies. And then Haken audited all 5 of the smart contracts that guarantee security and transparency. Haken is the new CertiK. I mean, basically, they're the most trusted auditor on the planet at this point. And lastly, the timing could not be better. Everybody, by the way, we're getting to New Year. In New Year, what do? You make a New Year's resolution. What is that New Year's resolution? I'm going to start getting in shape. There's going to be a lot of people looking for an app like this going into the beginning of this next year. They're going to be bringing in this massive pre-existing group of potential investors, and they're going to make it very simple for you to buy. There aren't thousands of SportsFi projects. There's not hundreds of thousands. There's millions of meme coins. There's no 50,000 GameFi projects. There's only a few SportFi apps. That's it. So with a low market cap, powerful narrative, a quarter 1 of 2025 product launch, this is going to dominate. All investment will flow into Run Wago, the only SportFi of 2025, and will not get spread across hundreds of similar projects because they don't exist. Steppen is out there, but when people see this, they're going to cohere instead. It's very, very, very simple. So guys, don't worry about tap to earn. Forget about GameFi. Just think about what can happen here. Run Wago has the potential to not just match these products, but surpass them. And here's why. Ultra low initial market cap, 351,000 on launch. So Don't worry about any of these others. Now, let's get into tokenomics real quick so that you guys understand, okay? 14% of the round, we've already missed round 1, okay? 12% of the tokens were allocated to round 1, sold out in 10 minutes. Round 2, right now open, is at 7 cents, 14% of the allocation. But you'll receive 5% by using the link in the description down below. There'll be a 2-month cliff followed by a linear unlock over 19 months. This is why it's big, okay? You're going to be holding on to these tokens for a long period of time, and you'll be able to use the tokens that you get at 2 months in order to motivate yourself. Put your money in, set yourself on the goal. This is a monthly goal. This is what we're going to do. And then all you have to do is your goal. And guess what? You're going to win. And you're going to get a share of everybody who fell to the wayside every single time. For those who think 5% is too little, it'll explain how massive, I'm going to explain how massive this could potentially be. Okay. So let's assume that the project gets 100x growth. Okay. With an investment of just $100, that means that your return is $10,000. And if you get 5%, you get 5%. That's going to be $500. Very, very, okay. This return is realistic. It considers a small initial market cap of 350,000. It's just 5%, and you get 5, 10, 20x return. You're going to get a lot of money back from this. This is basically giving you a salary for running, right? I mean, that's what it's doing. This project has the potential for even more than 100x. I just used 100x as an idea for you because let's face it, we're going into the bull run. Do you think this is going to be a $35 million launch? No, this is $350 million. By the way, that's 1,000x. That 500, that 5% right there, that becomes 5,000 at that level. $5,000 just because you bought early. Now, let's go buy some and let's see what happens. All right, guys, I'm going to connect my wallet. All right, we're going to use BNB, by the way, to make our purchase. We're using 0.69 BNB, which is about $500. My volume bonus here is going to be 215 RWG, in addition to the 7,165 that I'm getting right there. And we're going to confirm this transaction. And once it's completed, I'm going to be a holder of $500 worth of Run Wago plus my 5% bonus. All right, guys, so we bought, we're in, and it's about to get real serious. All right, guys, so this pre-sale started on November 28th of 2024. Within hours, it was sold out. Now we're in round 2. This is going to take a little bit longer to close out because we raised the price just a little bit. And, I'm giving you the details right now. So make sure you get your money together right now. I just put $500 in. I don't want to be too optimistic here, but seeing the institutional teams behind this project, knowing that the first round was only 600,000, sold out like hotcakes. Second round, which is 980,000, is going to sell out pretty quickly too. It just opened, by the way. I'm making this right now as it opened. The total pre-sale is just 3.38 million, which is not a lot. So this is going to sell out pretty quickly. And with such a small target, there's no doubt that Run Wago is going to be targeting tier 1 centralized exchanges in the first quarter of 2025. Once the pre-sale ends, they've already announced it in the white paper, which I already showed. Now, why is this important? Because history has shown us that the biggest gains of crypto come from getting in early and from getting on tier 1 exchanges. Now, let me calculate here if this thing goes up. Now, let's calculate the profit we could earn from the Run Wago pre-sale if its market cap reaches 10% of step-in, okay? So the market cap of GMT right now is 611 million. That's 10% of that is 61. Okay, just consider, okay? I just put $500 in, and that return is 173x. $86,500, guys. This is serious opportunity. Just consider this. If it goes up to the market cap of GMT, if it does that and we get just the wind behind our sails and it goes there, $865,000. This is no joke. So here we go. This is not speculation. The app is coming. All of this is ready to go, ready to fly. You need to act now. The opportunities like this, they're not going to come around all the time. I give them to you when I get them. Run Wago isn't just another crypto project. It's a fully developed platform with the potential to dominate a massive market of 300 million existing users. Now, you guys know how I do these videos. You know, okay? I spoke to these guys. I partner with these guys. And after listening to their pitch deck, after going through this, I'm putting my own money in. Okay, and you guys should know by now, I do that very, very rare. Okay, I'm putting my own money in. This is your chance to be part of something huge. Run Wago is more than just a move to earn app. It's a new top narrative in this bull run. So join this pre-sale today. Here's what you need to do. head to the Runwago website, use my link in the description, participate in the second round of the pre-sale. The second round is already available. I took part in the second round myself. You just saw me buy. So if you want to join the pre-sale, feel free to use my link. I'm going to give you a 5% RWG bonus on your buy. It's the first strong SportsFi project coming out in this bull market, so it's probably going to be the biggest one. Remember, whoever's first to market tends to be the one that gains the biggest benefit, and as the first one launching in this bull cycle, that probably means Run Wago is going to explode, okay? And this is going to be the big one. You're not going to have to split it with 1,000 other apps, okay? All right, guys, that's my time. Thank you so much for tuning in, and go get you some Run Wago today.